Hello everyone, I'm Ellen McCloskey and this is my personal goals video presentation. Personal information about me: this is my 6th year. I just finished my 6th year in education. I have a bachelor's in secondary English education. I have a master's in high incidence special education. I was an English teacher out of college. I've been a 4th through 8th grade special education teacher. I've been a 9 through 12 special education teacher. I've been most recently an IEP specialist, where I've ran IEP compliance, and then I've also done the IDEA gifted file review. And then I'm stepping into an assistant director of special education position in July. Personal goals: the next 1 to 5 years, I would like to publish some writing. The next 6 to 10 years, I would like to complete our family. Beyond 10 years, I would like to expand our farm. Professional goals: in the next 1 to 5 years, I would like to obtain my district leadership license. The next 6 to 10 years, I would like to explore special education director positions. Beyond 10 years, I would like to pursue a doctorate degree. Why did I choose Fort Hays State University? First of all, I chose it because of the low cost of the program. It was also a program that was recommended to me when I first started exploring building leadership courses. The length of the program was enticing to me, as it's not completely overwhelming to the point where it would force me into obtaining a second master's. And then finally, I received my master's through Fort Hays State University, so I knew the quality of the program going in. Initial expectations of the program: I expect it to be challenging, collaborative, and potentially tedious from time to time. Thanks for watching.